Hello, this is Ethan from Life Mobile Technology. We're gonna start doing 3D printing. We're gonna first need a slicing software, which is gonna be Ultimaker Cura. Ultimaker is a reliable software that I trust in terms of slicing and just being able to use. So you're just gonna go to software, learn more on the Ultimaker Cura, download for free, and you can choose based on your operating system. We're gonna just choose Windows, and it's just gonna start installing the Ultimaker Cura setup. I'm gonna just click on the file there. So as soon as it's done installing, I'll just bring right up the setup so we can start getting that setup process going. Okay, now that we have the Ultimaker Cura setup, hit next. I agree. You're gonna hit next on wherever you want to put it. We're just gonna use the default location. You're gonna go ahead and hit install right here, and then it's just gonna start installing it. We're just gonna wait it out. Hit run Ultimaker, make sure that's checked, and hit finish. Okay, once it's done running the process, it's just gonna open up. Go ahead and full screen that. We're gonna go ahead and click get started, agree to the user agreement, and then hit next. This is just to improve Ultimaker. You can create a free Ultimaker account. We're just gonna skip it, but I recommend making the Ultimaker account. And then now we are to add our printer. There's networked printers and then non-networked printers. I think, if I'm not wrong, my printer is not networked. You're gonna go ahead and hit the not networked printer, and once you hit the non-networked printer, you're gonna find your printer. We have currently a Creality printer. Here is the Creality printer. You're gonna find out what model is your printer. We got the Creality 10S. You're gonna hit next, and then you can mess with these settings. I am just gonna go with the defaults. So next. This you can just hit next, next, and next, and then you're gonna hit finish. Next thing is now we need to get a model going. So this is just me showing how it's gonna look. Next, we're gonna to Thingiverse. I am gonna 3D print this wallet model because I think it looks nice. So you're just gonna download the files, and once it starts downloading, it's gonna be in your download folder. I'm gonna open it up, hit downloads, extract it because they put it in a zip folder. Next, we're gonna open up that folder from our Cura, Ultimaker Cura. Select all of it, and then it's gonna put it into the program. Now we're ready for slicing. So you're gonna hit slice. It's gonna start slicing it, and then you're gonna have to save it somewhere. We're gonna save it to the removable device, which is a micro SD card. And it should be ready now for 3D printing.
Thanks for watching my training video, and help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help me a lot. Visit me online at www.livemobiletechnology.com. And if you like this video, click on the like button for me at the bottom of the screen.